Good morning, students. In module 6th, I will solve exercise 4.3, ninth maths. Question number 8. Question number 8 is, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. F is equal to 9 upon 5c plus 32. First question is, draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius on x-axis, and Fahrenheit on y-axis. You see very attentively, because it is linear equation in two variable, F Fahrenheit, C Celsius. First of all, you see what you will put here. If you will put 0, then if in place of C you will put 0, then you will get 9 upon 5 into 0, 0 plus 32. 32 bit. F will be 32. And if you put here multiple of 5, then it will be cancelled out. So you put in place of C multiple of 5, 5, 10, 15, so that you get the value of F as a whole number. You see, when you put here 5, 5 cancelled by 5, then 9 into 1, 9 plus 32, 49. And if you put here in place of C 10, then 9, this is 10 divided by 5, 2, 9 2 ja 18, 18 plus 32, 50. So you draw this x-axis, y-axis, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, up to so on. And here minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 70, minus 80, because here maximum 50 is there. And now see, 0, 32 beta, 0 here, 32 here, 0, 32, 0, 32. Second beta, 5, 41, 5 here, 41 here, 5, 41. Then 10, 50, 10, 50, 10 here, 50 beta, 10, 50. And if you join these 3 points, you find a straight line. Clear? So this is the graph of the equation F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 30. Your first part is clear, complete. Now see second beta. If the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, or you can say that if C is equal to 30, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So in place of C you will put 30, then 9 upon 5 into 30 plus 32, then 30 divided by 5 you will get 6, 9 6 ja 54 plus 32 beta, 86 degree. This is F Fahrenheit. Clear? Then third part beta. If the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, then in place of F, what you will put? 95 degree. What is the temperature in Celsius? Then in place of F you will put 95, 9 upon 5 C plus 32, and here you transfer this right hand side into left hand side into right hand side, no sign will be changed. Now you transfer the 32 left to right, sign will be changed beta. 9 upon 5 C is equal to 95 minus 32, and 9 upon 5 C is equal to subtract 32 from 95, you will get 63 beta. And then C is equal to 63 into reciprocal of 9 upon 5, 5 upon 9, 9 7 ja 63, and 3, 7, 5 are 35. It is clear? So your C will be 35 degree. Now fourth part, if the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if temperature is 0 degree F Fahrenheit, what will be the temperature in Celsius? Then put C is equal to 0 beta. C is equal to 0, you will put 32, no problem, because here you see now. And if F is equal to 0, if F is equal to 0, what will be the C? Then 0 is equal to 9 upon 5 is equal to 32, and C is equal to 32 minus 32 into reciprocal of 9 upon 5, 5 upon 9, and here 32 into 5 beta, 5 to the 10, or 5 3 is 15 plus 116 minus 160 upon 9 divided it minus 17.8 degrees Celsius if Fahrenheit is 0 degree. And then last part is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. You see, if Fahrenheit and Celsius they are same, C is equal to F, then you suppose C is equal to F is equal to X, or you can say you will put in place of CF or in place of F C also. So here you will put C is equal to F is equal to X, then X is equal to 9 upon 5 X plus 32, and then 9 upon 5 X you transfer right to left, sign will be changed, equal to 32. LCM 1 and 5, 5 divided by 1, 5 into X, 5X, 5 divided by 5, 1 into 9, 9X, then subtract 5X minus 9X minus 4X upon 5 equal to 32, and X is equal to 32 into reciprocal of 5 upon 4 upon 5, 5 upon 4, 4, 8 is 32, and minus 8, 5 is 40, and C is equal to F is equal to X means 40 degree, minus 40 degree, minus beta. Clear? So in this way you can solve this question. Very very good, and better you revise this question.